Hello friends, let's crochet together a little bit. I'll take gray gazelle baby cotton and black yarn-art jeans. And the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the head. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. Pull the thread again, there is no hole, and in the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the third round we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1, increase, 1, increase, 1 single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 1 single crochet in the first loop, 1 single crochet in the second, and then increase in the third loop and repeat 1, 2, increase, 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 a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make increase and 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, and repeat And in the next round we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and continue till the end of the round. There are 36 loops in the round, and we make the next 6 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 34, 35, 36. A slip stitch and a chain. We've made 12 rounds, and in the next round we start to make decreases. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round we make decrease and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and repeat. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and go on. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and continue. And in the last round we make decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet and repeat. In the end we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. And now let's make the ears. A magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first loop, and a chain. In the second round we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then increase. 1, 2, 1, 2, increase. A slip stitch, and a chain. And in the third round we make increase, one, 2, 3, and repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end to sew the ear to the head. And make the second ear in the same way. Then we fix the eyes, make a pink stitch between the eyes, and sew the ears. Add fiber fill and the head is ready, and see you in the next part.